Our solution analyzes FIRST Robotics Competition, or FRC, data using TigerGraph for the backend, Python, and Plotly Dash for the front end. For Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology, or FIRST, is a global robotics community preparing young people for the future and the world's leading youth-serving nonprofit advancing STEM education. The FIRST Robotics Competition, or FRC, is an extracurricular activity where high school students under strict rules, limited time, and resources design and build a robot that competes against other schools and communities. Each year, teams of high school students, coaches, and mentors work to build robots capable of competing in that year's game that weigh up to 125 pounds. Robots complete tasks such as scoring balls into goals, placing inner tubes onto racks, hanging on bars, and balancing robots on balance beams. The game, along with the required set of tasks, changes annually. While teams are given a standard set of parts during the annual kickoff, they are also allowed and encouraged to buy or make specialized parts. FRC has a unique culture that is built around two values. The first one, gracious professionalism, embraces the competition inherent in the program, but rejects trash talking and chest thumping, instead of embracing empathy and respect for the other teams. Cooperation emphasizes that teams can cooperate and compete at the same time. The goal of the program is to inspire students to be science and technology leaders. So how is cooperation achieved? Well, there are two portions of an event, the qualification matches and the elimination matches. During the qualifications, teams are randomly assigned to each other in each match, such that there are two alliances, each making up of 3 teams. Alliances play against each other in the matches and move up or down in the rankings depending on how well they perform during these matches. Once all of the qualification matches are over, the top 8 teams have the opportunity to choose their other 2 alliance members. Using snake draft ordering, the alliances are created and compete in a bracket-style elimination where games are played best 2 out of 3. The team that wins the bracket moves on to the world competition. Knowing how well a team performed during the qualification matches helps teams in the top 8 determine which teams to pick for their alliance and elimination matches. As recent as 2015, FRC has provided more match data through their API and thus allowed teams to gather and analyze this data. In addition, other independent organizations like the Blue Alliance have created a website and app for teams to make this data more accessible. Our team decided to try our hand in analyzing this data, experimenting with the TigerGraph cloud, and developing a dashboard with Plotly Dash. In the TigerGraph studio, we created a schema of the Blue Alliance data. We took the 5 CSV files in each folder of the state-city competitions, and we put them into vertices, along with a couple of extra columns for our statistics visualizer. So for the vertices, we have event teams, event alliances, event awards, event rankings, and event matches. Then we created custom CSV files to depict the edges for how our vertices relate to each other. These edges include the following relationships: has alliance, recipient of, has rank, and participates in. With our loading job, we have a CSV file for each edge and each vertice. So if we explore this graph, we can use the team FRC 2474 as an example. We can see that they participated in numerous matches, had an alliance with a couple of the teams, they ranked, as well as they were a recipient of a couple of awards. On our working solution, you can select the 2015 year and then the competitions within that year. For the reports, you can select the average stats by team, match statistics, draft simulator, rank model, or elimination simulator. From there, you can select the team, and then you can select what you would like to see in the display. In this example, we have the OLS estimation table. In summary, our FRC Data Analytics Visualizer allows the users to access the match data via the match statistics and also see the average statistics by the team. In future, we could also run draft simulations, the ranking model, and elimination simulations. So the features of our current solution allows the user to select the year of the data they want to see, allow the user to select the event competition data, and also select and see various reports. We hope you enjoy our solution and thank you for your time.